Check this out. This is a balsam fir tree, but on the end of this branch, we have this strange mutated outgrowth. Pretty cool. I think you normally see the dead versions of these in the winter. I think we'll try to find some. I think this thing's called Witch's Broom, and it's different than the host thing. You can see the rounded, let's get in close. You can see the rounded fronds here. And then if you look at balsam fir, normally it's kind of bilateral. It's sort of round, but on the bottom, if you look, I don't know if you guys can see that on camera, it's pretty flat on one side, and it only arches up a little bit on the sides. These are totally round. It's like some kind of sea anemone or something. But I think this is some kind of like virus. Got that part wrong. There are a lot of different kinds of witch's brooms that infect a lot of different kinds of plants, and they can be from viruses, they can be from certain hormones within the tree, but this one, what's called Yellow Witch's Broom of balsam fir, it is actually a fungus. And I'll just go ahead and read this description from the National Resources of Canada website. This is a government botany website. Fungus causes witch's brooms, that is, an excessive proliferation of twigs from a single point on a branch. Fir broom rust is rarely fatal, but it can result in growth reduction. The fungus lives on two hosts. The primary host is balsam fir, and the secondary host is chickweed. First type of spore is produced in spring on the two faces of needles contained in the broom. Infected needles are stunted and yellowish green in color. The spores form on fruiting bodies that look like small orange-yellow blisters. In the middle of summer, a second type of spore is produced on the lower surface of the needles. These spores become windborne and spread the infection to chickweed hosts during the summer. The virus that creates witch's broom gets into the balsam fir, creates this mutation that's not quite the host plant, but is. But that's kind of neat.
How neat is that? That's pretty neat.
And I'll go check out what I just said to see if any of that's true or if it's all bullshit, but that's dope.